The chair recognizes Mr. Morales to explain the bill.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Sorry. Thank you. The bill targets key areas of housing units and medical spaces, kitchens and administrative offices in state prison facilities to ensure that the most critical spaces are temperature controlled. We move passage.
Question occurs on the passage to engrossment of House Bill 3006. This is a record vote. The clerk will ring the bell. Show Mr. Alders voting nay. Have all voted. There being 89 ayes, 43 nays, House Bill 3006 is passed to engrossment.